Hello, this is Michael with Cruisability again. Welcome back. Now today I'd like to talk about how to capture those special cruise moments that you'll cherish forever. Now before I get started, I want to mention please like and subscribe to the channel, and because there's all kinds of material that we're going to be introducing. Now, to begin with, I want to point out the importance of having something like a wireless mic so that you're able to not only do your videoing, but your audio will be perfect for your purposes. Now, this is something that we picked out for Paula. This is something that will help her a lot in being able to do all of her recording. Now, this is something else. Now, this is a GoPro device or accessory because I've chosen GoPro. It's you may have another preference, and there's all kind of accessories, but this is one I picked out for my device. Now this is a three-way arm tripod, so that you're able to bend the arm around to make angles. Now this is important for Paula because this allows her, because she can't stand up, this allows her to be able to bend the arm around and take pictures and be able to see things that she wouldn't normally be able to see on her own. So this is extremely important for those with mobility issues. Now, another thing is we got a GoPro floaty. What this does, of course, is, as you might guess, if you drop your camera, it floats to the top, because there are some issues with Paula's ability to maintain balance sometimes, and if we go on a water excursion, she won't have the fear of losing the camera, because it will float right up beside her should she drop it. Now, I wish I had this device back years ago when I went on an excursion and I was going down the Yellow River in Belize, and I had just a little cheapy camera that I had in my shirt pocket, and I just bent over and it fell right into the water. It was gone. It floated. It floated for half a second on the surface, and boom, it was gone. So yeah, having a device like this to allow your camera to float, big thing, because it is a practical and useful device. Now, moving on. Now this is a grip as well, but it has an extending rod, so that you're able to go and take shots that are overhead. And the great feature about this is that it has a wrist or watch function, so to speak, where you have it on your arm, and if you with a remote means being able to turn the camera off or on for you, so that you're able to get all of those shots and not have to reach up and push the button or pull it down, and it just messes up all the video. So that's important. Now, this here is a GoPro protective housing. It allows you to go deeper in the water. I don't necessarily expect to go scuba diving, but it allows better protection, and so it is extremely useful to make sure that you want to protect your device as well as possible. Now, moving on, we have a suction cup. Now you can put this on your GoPro, and you're able to put it on your windshield, for example, and you're able to, as you're driving down the road, it's already recording for you, and you're able to take the outside views of your vehicle as well. So now, moving on. Now, and before I do move on, that suction cup allows you to put it, suction it to your balcony window, so that you're able to get those great water shots, ocean views as you're cruising, and it allows you to catch those wonderful waves that are so beautiful during your cruise. Now, the next one is the media mod. What this does, it allows you it allows you to be able to have a microphone both front and back, because the GoPro only has one microphone. So this allows you, as you, for example, are interviewing someone, you're able to hear your voice as well as the person that you're interviewing. And then, of course, with the covering on the mic, it reduces your wind noise as well, which can be very, very annoying. Now, the next one is the Max Lens 2.0. Now, this is a changeable lens that you put on your GoPro so that it takes advantage of your widescreen features, and as well as your hyper smoothing, so that you have some great shots for those widescreen pictures that you want to make. Now, okay, those are just some of the accessories, but these are the accessories that my research has shown are the best options for starting out. Now, there's a lot more options, a lot more features, a lot more accessories that are available, but as you can see, some of these actually can be extremely helpful for those who have mobility issues. And so you want to be able to participate in the cruising and be able to take an active part in all of your entire cruising experience. So, one thing again, I would like to remind you again: like and subscribe. And because we have more material that's coming up, more episodes, and more helpful advice. Now, want to have you have a wonderful cruising experience, and we will see you again. And this is Michael with Cruisability. Goodbye.